ONTAP for NGOs. Welcome to a brief demonstration about how ONTAP can benefit NGO organization. As we are aware that any non-profit activity depends upon the association of the people. The more the number of people get associated to a project or activity, the better the chances of it being successful. As a first step, hence, for any NGO organization, it is important to propagate the information about various projects so that interested audience can understand the projects. If they are really interested in the project, then they could have the option of either donating for the project. If we choose to donate for the project, then one can get the donate here button, which can take them to the donation form where they can make the payments. Alternatively, a user can also choose to register as a volunteer. Once he chooses to register as a volunteer, we can gather more information like his name, also get his contact number, once it is done, basically the user would get a registration form where he can fill a complete detailed information where he can choose to be a volunteer. This form is a completely customizable form where at the organization level we can tweak it and make it as per your needs. Once the registration is successful, I would be able to get the various details about the project and the associated information. For instance, I have received a meeting request about the project that I earlier recommended for. Over here, the meeting request also indicates what are the objectives of the meeting and also helps me know when the meeting is. I can choose to like the project by clicking on the like. This essentially helps understand that this is something that I am really liking. For the organization at their end, they would be able to see a complete portfolio of the various people who have actually liked such an event, so that it basically helps them for future planning. I have also received an awareness program, an event which is conducted at a place nearby, and it also helps me to ask whether I would like to attend the event, or again, if I have not become a volunteer, I can choose to become a volunteer, or I can also get information about such events. Choosing to seek information about such events basically helps the organization to understand that I as a person is interested in attending such events. At the end of the day, once I become a volunteer, I would be actually attending the various programs that are conducted by the organization. For various internal messaging purposes, I can get various messages which can help me direct to take various actions that are there. After conducting a day full of session, I can have the option of providing a detailed status back to the organization. Here is a quick status update template using which I can provide my status. For sake of convenience, we have already filled in the associated information just for me to choose to send it to the organization. By this, the organization gets to understand the status that is actually happening on the field. Thus, if you understand, ONTAP basically would help propagate various information about projects, enables you to provide as much transparency, entices the end users who can choose to volunteer or who can choose to donate. At the end, since we have discussed that it all depends upon the association of people, and if I am really interested in understanding, or if I really like what you are doing, then I can choose to recommend this to various contacts that I have. This indeed entices that I can have as many people and more people can get associated to this activity. Thus, ONTAP not only helps for the organization to propagate the information, but also helps the end user to spread the word around so that more and more people can join the organization and thus make the organization a big success. Here was a brief demo. If there are any further questions, feel free to write back to us or contact us at www.bitsmartsln.com. Thank you.